All right, so welcome back again to this channel. As you can see right here, so I just stake a trade here. Is actually how to sell at this point. Um yes, how to sell at this point, and the reason why I have to sell at this point is to a couple of um it's actually showing that this is actually a breakout, this is actually a breakout candle. And as you can see, we just won that trade. As you can see right there, that was pretty much beautiful. And that was clean. Now let's check another one here. As you can see right here, still on the same trade, I'm going to be taking a buy. Initially I did a sell, and now I'm doing a buy. Remember what I said, anticipating this candle to be a breakout candle from my the market analysis I conducted earlier before taking this trades. As you can see, this is actually a win-win. So we have increased in about $3,000, as you can see right there. So that's pretty much it. Beautiful. So you first off have to analyze the market to be able to see where the pullbacks are and where the pressure actually is, for me to be able to understand the best opportunity to stake a trade. Let's look at this new one. There's another one. As you can see, that same candle happened to be a breakout, as you can see from the previous trend and all of that. And I have to stake a sell here because, and I just know that this is actually going to be perfect opportunity to make a huge profit from the look of things. And the reason why I had to focus on this particular breakout candle, you can see how you can see the strength of this bearish candle. You can see how the strength of it is coming out fully, and that's to tell you that there's lots and lots of opportunity right there if you could anticipate and sense that early enough. Now another thing I had to do real quick was to increase my trade time. Yes, initially I was making use of less than a minute, which was 15 seconds trade time. And because of this particular breakout candle, I had to increase my trade time to about 5 minutes, as you can see right here. And this is pretty much it. So we're actually going to be waiting for about 5 minutes to be able to see what the result of this particular breakout trade is going to look like. Yes. Remember, when you're doing a breakout trade, you have to take note of your stop losses and your take profit level. Very important to understand your support and you know your resistance level and all of that, which is also a priority when it comes to trading. All of these I've done previously before I had to start my staking my trade, as you can see on all of this. And then pretty much we're just going to be waiting for this candle to for these trades to yield results for us. Another thing I actually want to say, if you're new to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you would be notified whenever it is we drop informations as regarding how you could be financially free as pertaining trading. Yes, it's going to really help you big time. It's going to help you big time. So please do well to subscribe to this channel so you get first class information. You could always also be part of our community on Telegram and all of that. All the links are right there at the description, but including our WhatsApp and all of that. You could also be, so you'll be part of our community, the winning community, where we help through our analysis and all of that. People ride on, and they are able to make good earnings for themselves and all of that. So pretty much it. Let's go back to the market again. Like I was saying earlier, analysis is proper. If you don't really understand candle patterns and all of that, or you don't understand what trends and trade is, you don't understand what a breakout trade and all of that and trade and all of that, then it will do you, or it will pay you a whole lot of good if you could check out our channel, so you could see a lot of videos has been done on that. I'm going to be, if you just look above this video, you'll see that particular video, so you could go ahead and watch that video to be acquainted with how some of these things behave, candlesticks and interpretation and all of that. Very important So you can also increase in the knowledge that is that is shrouded within that confine. So this is very important for you. So pretty much that is that. Now another thing I also love to say is that for as a beginner trader and all of that, you should, it's, yes, it's very beautiful to have the mindset, to win, and the mindset of winning, which is, okay. But what would now happen? What then happens when you make losses and all of that? So you see, if you are fully an emotional being, you might not really do well in this niche and in this field. Yes, for you to really do excessively well, it means you have to tame your emotions. You don't use emotions when you're trading. Very important. Yes, you don't use emotion because times the market is superlatively unstable. Yes, you could take my word for it. Superlatively unstable. Yes. You could also still go, and verify yourself. Yes. So if you apply emotions to it, you might end up just doing yourself a lot of harm than good. So keep your emotions away. Just be diligent, you know, um, and be focused in what you're doing. Be diligent, be focused, and all of that. As you can see right here, this is a big win for us. So we have now increased in about $5,000. You could see right there in our balance. So this is pretty much it. This is pretty much it. Yes. So I believe this was helpful. I'm going to be stopping here. I'll see you in the next video.